Hello, good evening to one and all. This is Uday and you are watching your favorite channel, Devoted Classes. Dear brothers and sisters, once more I am present with one more video. Most welcome into Devoted Classes and be with me from the beginning to the end. Watch my videos completely. Now, today the topic is degree change again. This is transformation part 5 and the sentences today I am taking like very few things are as great as Ashoka. Meaning the sentence in the positive degree is something like starting with very few. Okay. So we have same type of chapter, that is degree change. From we have superlative to comparative, comparative to positive and positive to comparative. So this is sentence, very few things are as great as Ashoka. This is positive. This is positive sentence. Positive. Again, this is positive sentence and we have to change it into comparative and superlative. Let me remind you, degrees of adjective we have three: positive, comparative and superlative. Interchange of the degrees we are doing. So great, greater, greatest, we have to interchange these degrees. We have to do this task. Meaning great is positive degree. Keep in mind that this is in as adjective plus as, meaning the adjective is given something like this, meaning between double as we have the adjective. As good as happy as sad as nice as big as small as brilliant as. We have these type of adjectives like this. So let's start how to change into this. I am going to change it into firstly comparative. So what we do? Comparative degree. Firstly we this one great into greater. So great must be changed into greater. Greater. This is comparative degree. And now Ashok has been compared to very few kings. Fine. So Ashok must come this side. So Ashok or Ashoka you can say. See, sentences in the simple present. So with Ashoka we have is Ashoka is. Now great into greater. You know greater meaning comparative is followed by than. Ashoka is greater than. Okay. Now we add from our side most other. Ashoka is greater than most other kings. So it becomes Ashoka is greater than most other kings. Clear? This is comparative. Ashoka is greater than most other kings. Simply we remove as and then get into greater and do like this. Ashoka is greater than most other kings. Done? Very simple. Let me take another example from next sentence is, let us take the same sentence we have to take into superlative. Into superlative degree. So what we do? Similar. Ashok is simply one of the, since greatest is the superlative degree, into greatest, become greatest as removed and it becomes Ashoka is one of the greatest, greatest kings. So it is done. Ashoka is one of the greatest kings. Very simple. You can do easily. So very few is given. Kings are as great as Ashoka is the positive comparative. Ashoka is greater than most other kings. Superlative as Ashoka is one of the greatest kings. Very good, very simple. So note down Done? Do it fast. Note down. So Asoka is greater than most other kings. Asoka is one of the greatest kings. Positive into, comparative into, superlative. Done? Now take other example. One more example. Note down. One example more. Second example. The Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is one of the oldest monuments of India. So this is the third example. We have to, I am taking here superlative, meaning this is superlative. The degree is superlative. Now what we have to do? We have to change it to positive and comparative. Very simple. So let me change it into positive degree. Very simple. The Taj Mahal is one of the oldest must be into old. So it will be old. And as here also as old as. Something like this. You have to change it. Now add very few monuments. Very few monuments are as old as the Taj Mahal. As the Taj Mahal of India. Done? So very few monuments are as old as the Taj Mahal of India. Clear? This is positive. Now change into comparative. What is meaning? Something like the Taj Mahal is older than most other monuments of India. Done? Most other act, since this is older means completing, so then is followed by the complete degree of the adjective, so older than most other monuments of India. Clear? So interchange of degrees, second part is done, meaning degree change is done. Clear? So note down these examples. Now we'll take time for the homework. 5 sentences I will give you, and you shall into what? Into as directed. Now HW. First, sentence is very few boys are as brilliant as Rohan in the class. This is positive. You have to put into comparative and superlative. Comparative and superlative. Second, Mount Everest, Mount EVEREST, Mount Everest is one of the toughest peaks in the world. This is what? Superlative into comparative and positive. To note down, this is the second sentence. Now third sentence. India is more populous than most other countries. COUNTRIES. You have to repeat into superlative and positive. This is the third sentence. Now these three sentences you have to change into as directed. Clear? So this is the degree change second part. We have in part 5 group second. You can say degree change. Till date I taught you how to change simple passive into comparative. Again, second part, second group, that was simply is the best. Okay, is the best simply meaning a pure just positive comparative superlative degree I have in the first part, something like greater than any other. Okay, and no other country is as populous as India, something like that. We have first group of comparative superlative and positive degree interchange. Again I have taken here third group of the sentences that start with very few. Clear? Something like this. So we have the degree change chapter of the transformation is over here, meaning transformation of the degree changes are over. Transformation of the degree changes is over, simply is over. Here, the degree change is completely done. Hope that, of course, you like my videos. So, why delay? Why late? Just now you subscribe my channel, watch my videos and like and comment on the video. So practice makes a man perfect. So practice more and more. And I told you that only perfect practice makes a man perfect. Meaning right time, right way, right place, practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so practice regularly, punctually. Only then success is yours, learning is yours. Nothing is impossible if you do systematic practice, perfect practice. Here is the end of this video. Now it's time to say bye bye. See you. Take care. Thank you very much.